Namaha everyone and welcome to Mysterious Box. Since the time of its inception, Mysterious Box has always intended towards being a path shower and has encouraged respect for life and its purpose. It is a divine gift which caters to and has always attracted people from all walks of life, the people who wanted to live their lives rather than just pass their precious moments following the rat race of the world. It has been a pivotal in the lives of everyone who came distorted and screwed in their respective situations, and here, through various courses and through the psychic readings, they found direction. Mysterious Box, along with its myriads of services, which specially intend to cleanse and heal the energy of the person specific, so that the issues related to relationships, career, marriage, money, health, soul searching, life purpose, etc. can be transcended easily. I personally believe that transforming oneself at one's core level and aligning with the purpose of one's life can act as the game changer. Whether you are ditched or cheated by others, or you've been indecisive and doubtful, you have fears, you are insecure, or you are stressed, anxious, there is a lot of anger within you, there is a lot of confusion, you feel like procrastinating everything because you're lethargic. If all these negativities are ruling your life, they're keeping you away from your beautiful life because you're stuck and you feel unhappy. Mysterious Box's courses and the psychic tarot reading has always been a bullseye choice in such situations. If you haven't tried our mind power boosting and meditation courses or the psychic tarot readings, to get answers, try it now. Our courses include mindfulness, aura cleansing, chakra and karma healing, creative sound and rhythm workshop, Minds Quantum, energy and tarot reading courses. You can also subscribe to our courses, subscribe to various plans. You can go ahead with SOS services in any case of emergency. It is a guarantee that Mysterious Box will never disappoint you. Rather, it will transform your life positively and train you to evolve fundamentally. To know more about Mysterious Box, do visit our website and the social media platforms. And do register yourself as per your requirement. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.